it's like warped. It's kind of hard to tell on camera. I can't hold it still enough. It has like a wobble to it as it goes around.